What do you make of where we are in crypto, and how does SoFi see it?
The first thing I'd say is it's incredibly uncertain. It's early. When you buy cryptocurrency on SoFi, every time we give you a warning, it's an unproven asset, highly volatile, and you can lose all of your money. That's the truth.
SoFi CEO Anthony Noto just said crypto is incredibly uncertain. Well, in our opinion, he's right. We're bullish on crypto and actually own some. Noto has actually brought up his thoughts on crypto in previous interviews and owns some crypto himself. Stick through until the very end for a special clip of Anthony Noto talking about his views on Bitcoin, how it will change the industry, and his crypto boom comparison to the internet boom back in the 90s. In this video, we'll break down Anthony Noto's viewpoints on crypto as a whole, the importance of SoFi utilizing cryptocurrency, and why this is important for you as an investor. As always, we're not financial advisors, and this isn't financial advice, so please always do your own due diligence. Hello and welcome to Wealth Gambit. On this channel, we cover all things SoFi, whether it's fundamental analysis or SoFi stock news, we cover it all here. We've made over 90 videos covering SoFi since May of last year when it was still IPOE. So if you want to learn more about SoFi, check out our SoFi playlist, link in the description. Also, don't forget to follow our social media at Wealth Gambit and hit the notification bell to be updated as soon as we drop a new video.
It's an incredible technology platform. It's an opportunity to invest in something that's high risk, could also be high reward, but it has to be a very, very small part of what you do in a diversified portfolio.
Okay, but hold on. What does the Noto family do? I mean,
we're invested in cryptocurrency. We own Bitcoin, we own Ethereum, we own some of the more obscure different cryptocurrencies, but it's a very small part of what we own.
As you could hear in this clip, Anthony Noto owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. He mentions that crypto is high risk but also high reward. There's this quote from Layla Gifty Akita saying, "Risks can lead to great victories or defeats. Even if you're defeated, the lesson will be valuable for the next stage of life." Crypto isn't going away. It's here to stay, and one of its primary functions is to fix the problems of traditional currencies by putting the power into the hands of whoever is holding the cryptocurrency. It's a store of value and a unit of exchange that's fast, digital, and in high demand. It's changing the game just like how SoFi is changing the game for fintechs and the banking industry as a whole. If you're unfamiliar with Anthony Noto, he's worked as the COO and CFO of Twitter, worked at Goldman Sachs for over 15 combined years, and he was the CFO of the NFL. Anthony Noto has made some power moves recently in which SoFi acquired the naming rights for SoFi Stadium for 20 years, which we're sure you know is where Super Bowl 56, aka what some people like to call the Crypto Bowl, was recently held. Many crypto juggernauts like eToro, FTX, and Crypto.com paid a ton of money to play ads during the Super Bowl. Snoop Dogg, aka Uncle Snoop, is even heavily invested into NFTs and crypto. Maybe Snoop just likes hearing the word CRIP anytime crypto is mentioned. Does Uncle Snoop put the CRIP in crypto? If you've gotten this far in the video, then comment CRIP-to down below so we know who the real ones are. Here's what our favorite uncle, the Dogg father, had to say about SoFi. Snoop Dogg, Reppin SoFi. What a sight to see. I don't know about you guys, but that SoFi halftime show brought up a ton of nostalgia for us since we grew up listening to the legends that performed at the Super Bowl halftime show. Even Anthony Noto seemed to enjoy it. Commander Noto has an extensive resume, and one of his skills is catching on to trends early. According to his LinkedIn, Anthony Noto was the #1 ranked internet analyst from 2003 to 2007. This 4-year stretch was nearly 15 years ago, and flash forward to today, he's sharper than ever. Anthony Noto is actually more bullish on crypto than most people think.
What I do believe is if you don't innovate and you don't use cryptocurrency as a technology platform, you'll get left behind. Your business will be smaller, you'll be less competitive, you have less innovation and less of a value proposition for consumers, and you'll lose ground. But it's not going to disintermediate anyone and put them out of business. It'll definitely leave companies behind, just like we saw bookstores left behind.
Here, Anthony Noto says, if you don't innovate or use cryptocurrency as a platform, then you'll get left behind. And you know what's worse than not investing in crypto and getting left behind? Overdraft fees. If you're sick and tired of your bank hitting you with overdraft fees or monthly maintenance fees, then maybe SoFi Money might be the move. SoFi Money is basically a cash management account that offers no account fees, up to a 2-day early paycheck, automatic saving features, and more. If you're interested in switching over to SoFi Money, then we have something special just for you. Click on the link down below in our description to get $25 when you sign up for SoFi, open up a new SoFi Money account, and deposit $10 within 5 days. A $10 deposit to get $25? It's a pretty good return on investment if you ask us. We've made nearly 100 videos covering SoFi if you check out our SoFi playlist, and the best way to support us as a channel and SoFi as a whole is signing up to these accounts with the link in the description down below. Anyways, in that previous clip, Noto brings up how bookstores are getting left behind because of the constant innovation and technology happening year after year. Taxis are being left behind because of Uber and Lyft, and back in the day, Amazon actually started off as an online bookstore, but they constantly innovated, and now they control Amazon Web Services, Amazon Prime, Amazon Video, and many more. We made an entire video on this point named The Hidden Link Between SoFi and Amazon. If you want to check that out, we've also linked that in the description. Amazon basically created a one-stop shop, just like SoFi is doing now with student loans, personal loans, SoFi credit card, and you know what else they offer? That's right, investing in cryptocurrencies. If you aren't investing in, or at least aware of crypto, you'll get left behind. Imagine being able to catch on to Bitcoin in its early days. Are NFTs a new hot thing to jump on right now? Comment down below your thoughts, and as our token of gratitude for sticking with us through to the very end, here's Anthony Noto talking about his views on how Bitcoin can be a great long-term asset to invest in.
I believe in Bitcoin as an asset. It's highly risky. It's subject to regulation. It's subject to a bunch of externalities that could impair it, but I believe that investing in Bitcoin is an opportunity to invest in a technology that is going to continue to evolve and then be industrialized and commercialized over the next 30 years, just as the internet was back in the 90s. But it is highly volatile. Every time someone buys cryptocurrency on our platform, we give them a warning that says this is an unproven asset. You could lose all of your money.